Hey, SweetieFam, welcome back to my channel. And if you have not been here before, go down to the subscribe button, click the bell so you can be notified. SweetieFam, we have a boot review today. I have been in need of a new boot, and I love my boots. That's just a thing. I love my boots, okay? And so I was in need of a boot, but I wanted something that a style I had never had before, and also a color I did not have, and a color that most people don't have. However, I needed this boot. I wanted this particular style of boot. I love shoes in general. So these particular boots were on sale on Uggs.com. So I didn't get them from like a Journeys or DSW or anything like that. I actually got them from the Ugg website. I don't know why I've been shopping on the Ugg website, because you get like expedited shipping. So I bought them like on a Tuesday and had them by like a Thursday or Friday. Like the shipping was like exponentially. Also, these particular shoes or these boots were on sale. They were on sale. Originally $140. I got them I think for $95 or $97. So I mean, that's a $40 discount. And baby, that's a deal for me, because Uggs, unless they're like 2-3 seasons off, they're normally not on sale. So let's get into the shoe. I haven't had a new pair of Uggs since 2020. The ones I got was the Koolaburoo by Ugg, which is a sister company, so they're all Uggs. I haven't seen a box like this. I'm just going to be completely honest with you. Normally the box is attached to the side, but this one lid comes completely off. So it's the first time me having that. So this is the Ugg. We have a size 9. Y'all see the color right there. They don't play with you, okay? It's called Neumel, size 9. This is the paper. And then I'm going to right into the look of these boots. Look how gorgeous these boots are. Like, when I saw them, I immediately was like, yeah, boy. Now, I do want to tell you a disclaimer, because I was very unsure, I'll be honest with you, how these was going to fit. I wore them. I did. I walked around in them for about an hour and a half. I did. And you're like, why would you walk around them? Because a lot of times when I'm posting content about shoes and sneakers, a lot of my plus size baddies are like, are they comfortable? Do those shoes, do you need a wide? Do I need to go up a size? Things like that, which are important questions when you're spending good money on shoes. I wanted to make sure, and I will continue to make sure, any shoe that I wear, at least I will walk around the house in them for a little bit, 15, 20, 30 minutes, if not actually wear them out while I'm actually living life, to tell you the real deal. I dislike for someone to buy something and I'm talking highly of it and it hurt their feet as a plus size baddie, okay? We're gonna pull these jokers right out. So the bottom is worn because I wore them because I really wanted to see if they fit. I've never had this style. It's like a moccasin, right? Moccasin style with the shoestrings. Look at that. These are super cute. And we're just gonna pull out one. They have let's talk about the sides. They have the Ugg printed here on the side instead of in the back. Originally the Uggs that I had, they had the Ugg. There's actually a label stitched on it and then Ugg on the side of there. But this one is almost like it's hot steeled printed on it. Y'all see that? And there's no other Ugg sign on it besides that one, which is similar to the style of Uggs that I have. Now we have the traditional, Ugg pattern on the bottom. As I told you guys, I did wear these once for about an hour and a half. With the other Uggs that I have, I've had to get a size up because of the canal and shoes. It's very difficult to get my foot in there. And my foot really is not fat at all, right? So I'm like, what's really going on? But these, I got a 9 just to try. And this was the perfect size. Also, with Uggs and Koolaburoo by Uggs, I cannot wear socks in the shoes. Now, it's Australian fur in the Uggs, and then there's a fur really close to Australian fur in the Koolaburoo by Uggs. But I normally cannot wear socks in them. That's my story and I'm sticking to it. I actually wore scrunchy socks in these, and it, first of all, looked good and it was very comfortable. And when I say I walked. I don't mean I went from the car to the place, got out the car, walked to the place, sat down at the place, and then walked back to the car. No, I walked to the place, walked to the next place, and then walked to another place and then walked home. So I actually did some walking. I want to say it felt like I was walking on air. It was very, very comfortable. So my plus size bed is looking for a good, comfortable boot. This is it. This is it. And so now that I've purchased me some, I'm thinking I need to get my daughter some. So this is the other shoe. I got these maybe a week ago, and I wore them today. I wanted to do the video today. And I love the simplicity of this. It doesn't make my foot look long either. And that's if I have to judge, like, this is it. This is T. Now, I also ordered some navy blue ones. However, because these were on sale, people had got them. I checked out and everything, but they sold out before, I'm guessing, before they could ship them to me, or I wasn't further enough in line, so I did not get the royal blue ones, which is kind of sad because I was looking forward to wearing one and then like showing you both, but then, you know, just showing you the cleaner, newer, not have been worn one. But it is totally okay because these were comfortable. So I still think $140 for these is super cheap. I really do. I also love the colors. I've seen red, I've seen like tan with like a plaid, I've seen navy blue, this lime green. I've seen so many different colors in these, and I'm gonna be honest with you, these may now be my favorite boots. I actually am thinking about getting my son some, because I've seen a lot of men with these. So men, if you watch this video, or ladies, if you are watching it, ask your husband, your spouse, your brother, your nephew, your sons, would they wear these? Because they got them in black, they got them in brown, and they're really nice looking boots. Like, they're stylish, but they're also very much unisex. Now we're going to talk about how to style these loafers. These loafers have two things in common. They're by a major brand that most people love, and the color. You don't want to take that away from these boots. That means your outfit needs to be very simple, very subtle, so your shoes can pop. Now, you don't just want your shoes popping, you need to have the right accessories to match. Let's go into how I would style these loafers as a plus size baddie. So first, I would go in with a graphic tee. If you had a long sleeve graphic tee, that'd be great. Or a graphic tee that had a little bit of the lime green color in it. I just wanted a graphic tee that had majority of another color and just enough of that lime green color in it. And then I paired it with some faux leather leggings, as well as with these type of loafers, you could wear socks. You need to wear socks because it's kind of chillier out. I paired them with my scrunchy socks that I get from my favorite black-owned hair store here in the city that I live in. I did not want to wear a necklace because of the graphic tee. Like, the shirt mattered, but it didn't matter as much. And my jewelry is normally very vibrant. Most people notice it. A ball of energy for the earrings. Literally, a ball of energy for the earrings. I want the glasses to offset my earrings and the shoes, so I matched the glasses with other colors in the shirt. What I do feel like is missing is some type of jacket because it is fall. So if I would have had a jacket with some type of lime green in it, or just I could have worn my black motorcycle jacket, that would have been just the right touch to this look, because it was give it a little street, give it a little chic to the UGG loafers. Now comment down below on if you would have styled it a different way. So I could swap out the faux leather leggings to either a knit skirt or a cargo skirt, and the cargo skirt would be a solid color, as well as that knit skirt, which is kind of like the material that makes cardigans. And y'all be sweet.